Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is September 21st, and this is your aftermarket update. So we had a nice bounce back day from a difficult trading day yesterday. Yesterday specifically was difficult. We were right ahead of the FOMC meeting minutes, which were released today. Also, today was the crude oil inventory report, so sometimes Tuesdays can be a little bit choppy. And it was the very last day of the October 2016 contract. So all of those things conspired together yesterday to cause me to have a difficult trading day. But we had a nice bounce back day today. Let's take a look. We have a trade of the day here that we got into. Right after we got into it, I had a little bit of a video issue, but we were able to capture most of that trade for you. So we'll look at that trade here in just a minute. Let's talk about how it is that we got in, and then what it is that we were looking for. So as we got into the inventory report today, that is this area right here, this big bar, this big rally. There was a greater drawdown than what was expected, and really our market maker levels provided the resistance on the high up here today. So the market maker level, we came up through this 44.87 and rallied all the way up to the daily structure target, which was 45.49. Once we got here, you can see here, this is a 1 minute chart, but we began to look at the fact that we could not close a bar above this 21 level. So if you were to go to your drawing tools up here, you can, let's grab a rectangle, and we're just going to box in the tops of these candles and down into the bottom of these candles here. So if you take a look at it like this, you could see that there was a range that went on for several minutes. And so what we were looking for is a push down into this daily revision signal underneath us here. Once we got to the daily structure target, we were looking for a push down into it. And we tried to get short a couple of times around that 17-18 level. The top of this bar is 21. Top of this range, rather, is 21. And so you can start to see the volume stacking up in that 19, 20, 21 area. And once we knew that we had gone to the daily structure target, we were going to be looking for a pushback, possibly as deep as the daily structure signal, but really we were looking for a move down to the daily revision signal. So then as the market continues to move here, whoops, I went a little bit too far, but you kind of see what happens. Once we got this one really extended bar that could not close above this, we were in short at right around this 19 area. We took 19 all the way down. I think we were actually talking in the room about coming down into this 74, 75, but we were looking at the daily revision signal. There was some volume that was stacked up around 74, 75, and you'll see it on the video here. But once we got down into this area, at the end of the video, I say it's a nice 30-tick move. It actually ends up being about a 42-tick move is what we get very quickly here on these bars. So what we were looking for here is the market to rally up. It rallied up into at the inventory number, found resistance at the structure target, then we immediately rejected out of that, and then we began to watch this zone, and there was a lot of volume that was stacking up here ahead of it. We tried to get in short once, I took a 3-tick stop, tried to get in short again. I think I took a 4-tick stop, and then we get in short this final time, and it flushes in. These are 1 minute bars, so just in a very quick 2 minutes, we got all the way down to our support level down here at the revision signal. So it ended up being about a 40-tick trade. Like I said, at the end of it, I think I say it's a 30-tick trade, but 19, which is where we get in, down to that 79, 78 area, is a little over 40 ticks. So that is the video that I'll show you here today. Again, right there at the very beginning, you'll see me get in, and then I had a little bit of video problems, and then we'll fast forward to the rest of the trade. You'll be able to see it there. So it's going to be a quick video here today. So I'll let you watch that OTG trade of the day. Here it comes. 20 on the short here. 19 and I'm in. Stop is 31 this time. Stop is actually 32. Target is 74. Okay, bring this trail stop here to, I'm 7 ticks in the hole. Bring it to 12. This is what I was looking for it to do here. We got to get underneath, though. We came down to 95, looking to target 74. Bring this trail stop here, 19. Bring it down to 09. Maybe. It is at 09 for now, but remember 10 was support. It will act as resistance now. We got to get through 95, 94. There's 93, 92. Okay, bring the trail stop down to bring it down to 99. Target is 74. There's 76, 75. There's 77, 76. There's 75. Taking it off right there at 30 ticks at 79. It puts me up 75 ticks on the day, and I'm done. All right, so as mentioned earlier, the end of the video says 30 ticks. It actually ends up being about, I think it ended up getting out at like 77, so 42 ticks. Either way, it was a really nice trade of the day. We were down, as you saw, just a little bit going into that. I told you I took 2 stops, 1 for 3 ticks, 1 for 4 ticks. You hear it in the video. I say I'm down 7 ticks, and that's when I moved the first stop down. And anyway, it was a really nice trade. It was a nice bounce back day after a difficult trading day on Tuesday. So we'll be back at it again on Thursday, and we'll see what the market has in store for us. Thursday historically provide good opportunities for us, and so we'll see if that is indeed the case tomorrow. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending some time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group, and until next time, I want to wish you good luck and good trading.